Today, June 14 is observed and celebrated as World Blood Donor Day. Every year, countries around the world celebrate this particular day as World Blood Donor Day. And this was first distinguished in the year 2004 by WHO, but it was officially designated as an annual event in the year 2005 in the 58th World Assembly. And that is also by World Health Organization. And this particular day or this particular campaign is one of the 11 official public health campaigns conducted by or organized by WHO. The purpose of this particular day is to raise the awareness about the need of the safe blood and blood products and to thank voluntarily the unpaid blood donors for their life-saving gifts of blood. A blood service that gives patients access to safe blood and blood products in sufficient is a key component of an effective health system. Why is World Blood Donor Day celebrated on June 14th every year? It is actually celebrated on the birthday anniversary of Karl Landsteiner on June 14, 1868. In 1901, he discovered AB blood types and he received Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1930 for this particular discovery. So that's why this particular day is celebrated as World Blood Donor Day. We have different types of blood groups: A blood group, B blood group, AB and O. Among that, O negative is considered to be the universal donor and AB positive is considered to be the universal recipient. What is the importance of blood donation? The blood donation actually, it is important for the subject as well as the patient. The person who is receiving blood, those who are donating blood, both benefits are there. The person who is donating blood has a benefit of helping the risk of having a lesser heart attacks. Okay, the cardiovascular risk factors are becoming less by donating the blood. And the benefits of the patient, like is it life-threatening condition, in an urgent situation, in a medical, the surgical procedures, in any kind of surgeries, if you're doing even in delivery, the labor time, so anything, any surgical procedures or any kind of treatment purpose also, like if you have severe anemia, you need blood donation. Blood transfusion is an important thing. Okay, so importance of thing is both for the donor as well as the receiver. So you are helping a person by giving blood, and in a life-threatening condition, in a urgent procedures, in a surgical procedures, you can help this patient. And by donating blood, you are ourselves, if I am donating the blood, I am reducing my risk of cardiovascular risk factors, reducing the chances of heart attacks. Okay, these things can be reduced. The risk factors can be reduced. And who can give blood? Age from 18 to 65. Okay, that means the weight at least has to be more than 50, you can say. Or 50 is say 50 kgs, above 50 kgs and less than 150 kgs, you can donate blood. Okay, so one pint of blood can help 3 persons. That's what we have learned. So the importance of these things is very important. And again, if the people who are suffering, the screening should be very important. Screening of the patient or screening of a subject who is donating blood is very important, because he should not have any transmitted diseases. He should not have any HIV, hepatitis, viral hepatitis, even a common cold or flu, fever. Okay, these many things should not be there for the blood donor, and he should not be anemic. Okay, he should be at least having 45 to 50 kgs. Okay, and at least a nice normal duration is like at least once in 3 months. Minimum 3 months you can give a gap. The objectives of this particular day is to celebrate and thank individuals who donate blood and encourage more people to become new donors. To encourage people in good health to donate blood regularly, to transform the quality of life for the transfusion dependent patients and help to build a secure blood supply in all countries in the world. To highlight the critical roles of voluntary, non-remunerated, regular blood and plasma donations in achieving universal access to safe blood products for all populations, and to mobilize support at national, regional and global levels among governments and development partners to invest in, strengthen and sustain national blood programs. And activities that would help promote the slogan of this year's World Blood Donor Day may include donor appreciation ceremonies, social networking, campaigns, special media broadcast, social media posting like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. So this can be done. Okay, so I'm winding up here by telling every blood donor is a hero. Thank you.